Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I hope you're all doing well and staying happy and healthy. Today we are going to be talking about the 8 parts of speech. We are going to be doing a part 1 of 2 parts, focusing on nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and verbs. So the 8 parts of speech are nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, conjunctions, prepositions, and interjections. Those are 8 different parts, and like I just said a moment ago, we are going to focus on the first 4 in this video. So we're going to be starting with nouns. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns are the subject of a sentence. So on the slide you can see some examples of underlying nouns within sentences. So we're going to do an example. In the following sentence, which words are nouns? Caleb loves to play Nintendo DS. So we have A, loves, B, play, C, Caleb, and Nintendo DS. So in Edpuzzle, hopefully you picked the correct answer for the nouns, which is Caleb and Nintendo DS. We're going to keep moving on, so going through fairly quickly. Types of nouns. There are common nouns and there are proper nouns. A common noun is a noun that does not name a specific person, place, or thing, so a dog. A proper noun is a noun that names a specific person, place, or thing, and we capitalize proper nouns, so such as New York City being a specific city, but the word city is just a common noun. So examples of common nouns, all of the underline in these sentences are common nouns, such as the cow jumped over the moon. I'm not going to read all of the sentences, but I'm just giving you some examples to keep in mind. These are common nouns. We do not capitalize common nouns. So in this sentence, I'd like you to pick out which of the words is the common noun. Sean cut the grass. Is it A, Sean, B, cut, or C, grass? Go ahead and pick an Edpuzzle. And then the correct answer was grass is the common noun. Sean is a proper noun because he is a specific person. So next we're moving on to proper nouns. Proper nouns we capitalize because they are specific. So these are just some different examples, as you can see on the screen. So like Caleb and Kylie are the best kids in the world. They are specific people, so we are going to capitalize their names. Continuing on to our example for proper nouns, I would like you to pick out what is the proper noun in the sentence. He walked across the Macon Bridge. Go ahead and pick. And hopefully you picked the correct proper noun. Remember, we always capitalize proper nouns. Pronouns. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. So just a couple examples: I, me, my, you, your, and so on. There are a lot of different pronouns. We want to make sure when using pronouns that we use the specific one for these circumstances, so that way it's grammatically correct. So a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. So instead of saying Aaron likes to eat, you would say she likes to eat. What is the pronoun in the following sentence? I sing loudly in the shower. So is it A, sing, B, loudly, C, I, or D, shower? And hopefully you picked I. Next we're moving on to adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. It tells what kind, how many, or which one. So, for example, we have a green shirt. Green would be the adjective, or sour limes. Sour would describe the limes, being sour the adjective. So, in this example, I'd like you to identify what is the adjective, which word describes in this sentence. Aaron has blonde hair. Is it A, blonde, B, Aaron, or C, hair? Hopefully you picked the adjective, which was A for blonde, blonde describing Aaron's hair. And then lastly, we're going to be talking about verbs. A verb is the action of the sentence. It shows what someone or something is doing. So as you can see in the image, there's a gentleman running, there is a gentleman painting, and there's a lady who is reading to somebody. So a verb, once again, is an action. I'd like you to identify what Aaron is doing in the sentence. Aaron is running the 5K. So is the correct answer A is, B 5K, or C running? I hope that you picked C as the correct answer for running as the verb as to what Aaron is doing in the sentence. Alrighty guys, so we will have a part 2 that'll go over the other parts of speech as well, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.